Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Those are nice doors too. Nice. Can I come in? Uh-oh. Thank you. How you doing, sir? Jacob. Great, man. Man, this is cool. Could you tell me your name real quick or what's in here, man?
Thomas. I got a 6 HDX 315 sound tube. Okay. On a Terrium 15K, 108 amp hours of emissions, 390 amp alternator.
Nice. Did you ever get it metered?
No, I don't do that anymore.
And this is a 6th order.
Yeah.
Do you know your tunings on it?
So I'm 59 in the back, 26 in the front.
Okay. I like the way you have a plexi spot here too.
Yeah, I just kind of threw it in there.
Because if you're getting a demo, if you don't have this, you don't know what's in here. That looks good. And you built this?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Go look at the amp in the back. That's all right. So what is this wire to?
0.7.
0.7 on the 6? Okay, got it. And how much lithium again?
108.
108, okay. Yeah, your voltage stayed in high 13s, 14s. Good. Really good.
Yeah, for a little 4-cylinder motor that
yep.
might be struggling some.
Yes, sir. Can I see your alternator?
Oh, it's underneath the engine.
Don't worry about it, it's all good. What's up, man? What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around. We got a Thomas's system at the Slamfest audio show in the Tampa, Florida area. So be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. Definitely a really windy and really good bandwidth musical response, 6th order with 615-inch subs. If you didn't get a quick shot when I was inside, look at that really thick plexiglass that he added in there. It's probably around an inch to an inch and a half, it looks like. And also, if that back port helps with the low-end tuning. So this is a 6th order bandpass enclosure. So having that subwoofer inverted helps with looking at that motor force to be able to kind of see how nice those motors look 6th order. And having that subwoofer motor inverted helps with wiring a little bit easier, so you don't have to remove them whenever you try to adjust depending on the amplifier running. And of course, the 15,000 watt amplifier he has ran. Pretty sure he had it, since there is 6 subs, I think he had it around the 0.8 ohm to 1.3 ohm mark. And a big lithium bank to help power it. I'm sure he's done a lot of work to get to where it is, and I'm sure he also built this thing into the vehicle because it's a huge box. Total of 15,000 watts on 6 15-inch subs. I definitely looking forward to showing you all a lot more car audio videos on my channel, Jacob Vile, every single day. Got over 300 left to share for this year, so you got to stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already for daily videos, and enjoy. Oh, yeah, I love to hear it, man. This looks good.
Making better move hardly either.
Yeah, on lows for whatever reason it's not like it's like that, but to get the highs,
Yeah.
pressurize really hard.
Yes, sir. Very nice. What was your name?
Thomas.
Thomas. Thank you, Thomas, for the demo, man. Thank you very much for the demo.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.